Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Lina binti Anwar. I'm from Group 2. So here is my group member. Yao Sijing, Ko Chi Ying, Jasmine Lai Yok Hong, Muhammad Reza bin Omar and Rosmaliza binti Abdul Hadi. So based on the assignment given, all of us need to do some research about Osha with a few company. So we have choose 3 construction company in Malaysia, which is Ko Chai Tech and Brothers, which is a road construction, BKPT Sendahan Berhad, railway construction, and SLG Construction Sendahan Berhad, building construction. Occupational safety and health, OSH, encompasses all aspects of workplace health and safety with a strong emphasis on primary hazard prevention. Occupational health is primarily concerned with 3 distinct goals: preserving and promoting worker health and ability to work, improving the working environment and job to make them more favorable to safety and health, and building work organization.
Respected Doctor, my name is Kochi and my metric number is AP190171. First, I will give Doctor an overview of Ko Chai Tech and Brothers company background, which is a civil construction company was founded in 1972 by 2 brothers, namely Mr. Ko Chai Tech and Mr. Ko Chai Shun, which located in Ipoh, Perak. The core business is focusing on design and build roads, road resurface, road widening, and maintenance. Also acquire heavy machinery. Moreover, the company has been involved in a portfolio of contracts which includes building of roads, reservoirs, water treatment plants, and transform mass swamp plants into modern housing, industrial estates, commercial centers, and highways. It has registered as CRDB G7 contractor and achieving ISO 1901 certifications. Obviously, it has cooperated with clients who own high-profile brands such as Roadworks Department JKR and Department of Irrigations and Drainage JPS. Next, I will focus on safety and health practices, which includes set up a plan by providing an appropriate transportation management plan, such as weather, holidays, and peak hours. Second is correct traffic control, which is to put at once warning signs in road construction zones, such as barricades and safety cones. The following is necessary to stay hydrated as the temperature on Elvas can reach over 30 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. And thus, the workers have to drink plenty of water or liquids with electrolytes. Last is keep clear of blind spots by ensure all mirrors and visual aid devices are installed safely. That's all from me, so I will now pass to my group mate for the next part. Thank you.
I'm Yashet Sin. Now I will continue to present the ways that Mr. Ko's company approached to prevent accidents at construction site. Mr. Ko said that their company would reduce nighttime work to prevent accidents on site, since overtime, especially at night, creates a greater environment for potential construction accidents to occur. Night work should be limited as much as possible. Mr. Ko also will provide training for his employees to practice and learn defensive driving, parking, and reversing. Mr. Ko said it was important to make sure that machine and equipment were in proper working order. All tools and machines should be inspected regularly, and there should be a written record of when the last inspection or repair was made. Mr. Ko also encouraged his employees to do a quick inspection of equipment or machinery before using it to ensure it is functioning properly. To wear safety gear, which is PPE, is very important to protect themselves. The basic PPE such as safety helmet, hearing and eyes protection used at construction site. Masks and gloves may also be required in some cases. Cases happen in project site. Getting hit by a vehicle. Mr. Ko said that his worker has been hit by a car when working. They have been working at night on roads to catch up on project progress, and it is dark out. The workers was bent down for doing the finishes work. A vehicle driver was distracted by the work, and he is not looking well due to the environment is dark out. At the end, Mr. Ko's workers getting hit by a passing vehicle. Fortunately, the injury of the workers was minorly abrasion. First aid accidents. According to Mr. Ko, his workers noticed something sharp on the sole of his left shoe. He stopped to look and found a nail stuck in his shoe. He took off his shoe and was lucky to be able to pull the nails out, because the nails didn't pierce his foot, just scratched it slightly. The workers told Mr. Ko, and Mr. Ko helped him with antiseptic wipe and band-aid. Mr. Ko asked his workers to keep their workplace neatly to avoid any further accidents like this from happening when Mr. Ko returned to work. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is Rosmaliza binti Abdul Hadi, matric cards APY90126. Now I and my partners will talk about VKPT Sendian Berhad.
BKPT's neighborhood is involved in constructing new track for mass rapid transit and light rapid transit as has the expertise in all aspects of project management from tendering to completion. Over the last 6 years, BKPT's neighborhood has formed an impeccable track record for itself in the new bird field. With the vast experience from being heavily involved in milestone new bird railway projects such as KVDT1, MRT1, MRT2 as well as LRT1, VKPT's neighborhood has proven that it equipped with the best expertise for the execute of challenge new bird projects. Now, I will talk about the latest incident at the site. There are many incidents that happened when the project was run. One of the latest incidents that happened is in 2021, which is one of the laborers get into the incident because of his own careless. This incident impact the company because they need to report it to the Doge development in 3 days. So the company had stopped their project about 7 days because they need to investigate the incident.
So now we go to how VKPT's neighborhood prevent an incident. First, roll call. Every morning, all the level need to attend roll call conducted by in charge or supervisor to briefing about their job scope, safety, especially their PPE. Second, toolbox meeting every Saturday around 7 a.m. They also have a toolbox meeting. This meeting involve all department and general worker. Third, training. The training every Wednesday. Supervisor will talk about awareness and safety for the labor at site. And last, commit meeting. Every month there is safety commit meeting, which is they talk about all the problem inside and environment. So they will discuss the solution about the problem so that problem will solve and would not happen again in the future.
A very good morning to Doctor and my friends. My name is Jasmine Lalokong. Today, I'm going to present SLG Construction Sdn Bhd. This company is incorporated in March 2008. It is registered as CIDB G7 contractor in the field of general construction and steel structures. There's an operation office located in Kuala Lumpur. An office includes Safety and Health Office in Malacca and headquarter office in Johor Bahru as well. Comes to site induction, this company is promoting scientific construction safety management method, which is enhance the safety management measurement in the construction process, enhance the inspection of safety in construction site, implementation of construction safety technology, master safety infrastructure and ensure safety cost input, and last is develop a comprehensive emergency plan. For the personal protective equipment, this company has established the concept of safety and prevention first, which enhance the labor protection of construction workers on the construction site. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Riza bin Omar and my metric number is CP190074. So I will continue to explain the safety precaution takes by the SLG Construction Sdn Bhd on construction site. So due to the COVID-19 outbreak, SLG Construction Sdn Bhd also implemented a series of protective action, including ventilation, social distancing, hand hygiene, personal protective equipment. So for ventilation, where possible and safe natural ventilation such as opening window has been implemented. It is to make sure the air circulation inside and outside closed area. So for social distancing, in accordance with the state regulation, including managing non-employees entrances, preventing direct physical contact and social gatherings, and imposing strict controls on entry of outsiders. So for hand hygiene, the SLG Construction Sdn Bhd provide the accessible hand sanitizer or alcohol-based hand sanitizers at all entrances, restroom, workstation, and dining. They also place signage for reminding employees of proper hand hygiene. And for the personal protective equipment during the COVID-19 outbreak, the SLG Construction asked their workers to use non-medical masks when working indoors or near clients and colleagues. Medical masks are recommended for individuals at higher risk for severe complications from COVID-19. So for conclusion of our research, after finishing this research, company with different nature of business, road, railway, and building have different approach to cope with OSH regulations. Although the company have different approach towards the OSH, but the aim is still the same, which is to reduce the risk of accidents in the construction site. The OSH in construction have to be extra secure to prevent the spread of COVID-19, besides to maintain the safety of workers which are clearly working in high risk situation. So health and well-being are important aspect of workers' motivation and job satisfaction, with influence productivity as well as retention. Thus, every party, including the authority and the government, should work together to help promoting the safety and health on construction site. So that's all from our group. Thank you.